Alright guys, I'm currently standing outside of a 2020 Honda Civic Hatchback. This is going to be the LX trim. Let's kind of walk up to the Maroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause the video here for a quick point of reference. It's going to talk about your fuel economy up here. On the top side, it's going to be 31 for the city, 40 for the highway with the combined rating of that 34. You have all of your safety ratings down here on the bottom right hand side. The price point of the vehicle, and then the list of the features which we're going to go over today. Now, if you're looking for a good commuter without all the additional bells and whistles, this is the entry level on the Honda Civic Hatchback. As we kind of walk towards the front, all of your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist and your forward collision magnetic braking, and then your adaptive cruise control. Now, you're going to have the 1.5 turbo that's going to be here with the CVT transmission. You get your daytime running lights. It's going to be down here on the bottom half of the headlight as they come on, and it kind of wraps right up. Nice little blacked out front. Gives you that little sporty kind of feel. Nice little aggressive nose. As we kind of wrap around over here on the side, you get those exclusive alloyed rims. You have body colored handles. A little bit of chrome on the top of the windows. It kind of wraps around. Bottom half is just kind of blacked out. Just kind of gets a little dressed up. You're going to have a capless tank. It's going to be just push that right door, push that door right in, and pops open and closes. If it's locked, you won't be able to open it. No longer $2 cap to fight, debate, and argue with. It's a simple slide and go. So if I lock it right now, as you see, I push on that, it doesn't come open. All right, we'll kind of wrap here towards the back side. You're going to have LED taillights. This makes a bolder statement as you stop. People kind of know what's going on. You have a multi-angle rear camera. You got your backup camera right here. Hydraulic gate for your hatch. Plenty of space in here with the seats up. You're gonna have a spare tire below. Privacy blind here. Keep your groceries and supplies out of the sun and get people to start minding their own business. Seats come down nice and flat. Look at that, nice, good looking. Got your little tie down, courtesy tie downs. So if you have anything here in the back, things won't be jumping around. You can have cloth seats here on the side. Just lift these straight right up. So they're gonna be 60-40 split seats. Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge there for you guys. You got some additional cubby space within the door. You guys know about power windows already. Comes with 2 keys. You guys know about power windows, power locks, all that good jazz. Then we got some additional cubby space down below within the door. Nice little silver piece trim, kind of wraps around. You kind of see that theme throughout the car here. You got manual seats, so it's going to be a pump action to raise it and just pull up, lower it, pump down. You got your tilt, and you got a squeeze bar underneath to slide it front and back. All right, let's get this started so we're not cooking. And right over here, guys, on this side, we got some additional buttons. You're going to have your forward collision magnetic braking. If you ever want to shut that off for some reason on God's green earth, you can. Just click and hold. You have your vehicle stability assist, and then your road departure from that point. You got your hood release, your steering wheel adjustments all the way down here. Simply kind of pull that, unlock it. It's going to be a telescope, so it goes in and out, up and down. Find what works for you, then lock it back in. We're going to have auto headlights. Sorry to get this at an angle the sun's not beating on it so you guys can see. There it is. So we got auto headlights. You got your wipers, everything on the other side. You have hands-free here for your phone with voice command. So, as the incoming call, you can choose to answer it, reject it, hang up, or you can do voice command, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone, give me a call, I answer all of you guys' questions. You're gonna have your different menu right there. As you kind of hit that, you got some different options. You got your fuel economy. You can see more lifetime feed with that graph, what you're doing with your current tank size, how much range you have left, how many miles you can go, turbo boost, maintenance, settings. I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff that's going to be in there. You got your volume control. You have all your Honda sensing over here on the right hand side. Right up there you got, as you can see in green, you got your adaptive cruise control and then your lane keep assist system. So if I hit this main button, it deactivates it, no longer available. Hit that button again, now it's available. Now with your cruise control, you just hit the set button. Obviously we're not good driving, so we can't set it. You can adjust the speed from that point. And then you have your adaptive part with the adaptive cruise control. You hit this button as you kind of hit it multiple times. You can select the distance between you and the car. So more lines is further away, while less lines means you'd be closer to the car in front of you. Then once it detects a car, it will have the little white car above those lines that are moving up there, just like this button shows. And it also has the audible sound. You can turn that audible on or off, though, if you wanted to beep at all. You have your lane keep assist for your highway driving between 45 and 90. From that point, as we hit the button right now, it's going to be a hollowed out dotted lines, maybe filled in dotted lines, give you that visual confirmation when it's on, when it's working. You have to go between 45 and 90, and it has to find lines on the road, of course. As you're kind of go out of your line a little bit, it will beep. You can turn that beep on or off, and it nicely nudges you and recenters you back in the center of your lane. All right, so now you can sneeze with comfort while you're in the middle of a turn on the highway. All right, as we sneak right over here, you got this nice 5-inch screen. You got a couple different music options. You have FM and AM radio sources. From that point, you have your media. You're not gonna have a CD player. You can download your CDs onto a thumb drive or a flash drive. From that point, depending on the size, you can have hundreds of CDs onto there. From that point, it's just gonna be a plug and play right down over there. You have an extender. That extender is plugged into the USB that's down below. Then there on the other side, you're gonna have a 12 volts with a nice little tray down below. You also have a tray up here on the top. Hit media again, you have your Bluetooth, so if you got music from your phone or other devices you want to pair up to the car, you can. Now you got all your volume control, volume from right here, excuse me. Turn that on or off. Phone, you can pair up multiple phones with the vehicle. I mean, this stuff's pretty much straightforward. You got your backup camera here with the multi-angle. You can change your views on that rear camera by hitting this button or hitting number 1. As you kind of get close, you can see that little photo right there. It shows you how the camera acts right now. We're just seeing the right behind you view. Straight down from your rear bumper. Then a wide view. That's like a 180, so you can catch more of the cars coming from the side. From that point, give you an extra peace of mind. And we're back to our original view. Climate control and all that. You got your fan speed, your temperature, different modes, AC, front and rear defroster. You have a couple different drives down here. You're going to have a regular drive, a sport drive, and a low gear. You're going to have your parking brakes. It's going to be electrical now. And then you have a hold brake. So let's say if you stop at a train or through the drive-thru, stuff like that, you can click and hold that button down for a moment. It's going to hold the brake down so you can take your foot off the brake. And then when you want to resume, just simply apply onto the gas. You have an Econ button. As we smack that, a nice little beautiful green leaf comes up top there to indicate it's on. Your Econ is going to give you better fuel economy on your highway driving. You can keep it on for the city. It just won't be as effective with the stop and go from that point. It's going to change the RPMs of your car. You can be sacrificing some acceleration and AC power. So you got to choose. You want to be fuel efficient or comfortable. You may get from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon for your highway driving, just depending on your driving habits. From that point, I'm going to shut that right back off. You're going to have some nice little cubby space over here in the center console. It gets placed for a couple cups. This comes in and out, so you guys can adjust it from that point. You're going to have a place for the big gulp right down there below. Armrest does slide forward, a couple different options. So that's nice. So nice cloth seats up here with a nice kind of little pattern. Double stitch reinforced. Looking good. You get this nice little cool trim walk. Once again, that's a little trim that kind of goes from here along the front of the dash. Got that little gray silver going along the doors again. Lights, visors. Kind of check out the glove box. Got the wheel locks right down there with additional bolts for the tires. But yeah, this is pretty much the 2020 Honda Civic Hatchback LX, guys. Let's take one last look here on the outside. If you guys have any questions about the hatch, Feel free to contact me here at Randy Kill Honda and ask for Crazy Chris, or drop a comment down below. I'll get you guys all the information. If you guys even had one and you'd like to share your experience, once again, just drop a comment down below sharing your experience about the Honda Civic or the Honda Civic Hatchback. I love to hear the stories and adventures you guys have with those. All right, this is Crazy Honda Chris signing off, and thank you for watching, guys.